Hello, my dear friends. I'm Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. In today's video, we're going to be discussing E2 and EB5 visa when it comes to franchising like McDonald's, Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts, Pizza Hut, and so on. At the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to get a free analysis of your case from me. Let's go. Alright, right before we begin, guys, smash that like button if you like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my 2 videos every week on the topics of business, of investment, and the talent immigration to the United States of America. Stanislav, why are you talking about franchising and E2 visa and EB5 visa? Can you please elaborate on that? Yes, of course. And I want to remind you guys that the topics that I'm discussing on YouTube, on Instagram, on my TikTok, they're coming from you, right? You ask me questions, you comment, you ask the questions under the videos, in my posts on Instagram. I collect the data and I create content for you. So please, if you don't understand something, if you want to know more, don't hesitate to ask the question, because that's the way I can give you the best value and create the content that you want and that you like. The franchising in the sense of bigger companies, and I already mentioned them, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, there's a bunch of them who franchise their businesses, and you can participate in them and get either E2 visa or EB5 visa. What's the difference between the two? Well, E2 is a non-immigrant visa with a smaller amount of investment starting with $100,000. EB5 is a large immigrant visa that gets you a green card, that gets you and your family a green card, but it requires about $1,050,000 investment. And when we're talking about both of these visas, remember that the main criterion for these visas is the origin of your funds. We need to show that your money is clean, you paid taxes on that, and we can show the tracking from where it was made to where it ended up in your business in the States. So if you go with the lower amounts, you can get E2 visa. If you go with the large amounts, you can get EB5 visa. And of course, if you want to establish a franchise with a low amount of money that charges maybe 100K, 150, anywhere from 100,000 to up to $800,000, you are looking at E2 visa. If you're looking at franchise that ask you to pay them $1 million or more, and we're talking about McDonald's, Dunkin' Donuts, Domino's, then you're looking at EB5. Right? Why? Because you pay the amount of money that needs to be invested, and also you may create or you will create 10 jobs or more, because any McDonald's, any Burger King, any Domino's, they will employ 10 people or even more, right? Maybe 15, maybe 20. That's just the nature of the business. So those are really good options for you to think of when you're thinking about the business ideas, right? We always discuss with you guys different business ideas. We're talking about trucking companies, we're talking about restaurants, we're talking about cleaning companies. Here is another level for you to research where you can find franchise from a big company, from a famous brand, where you can invest that money into that brand, have a lot of help from these big companies, set up your business, just come here, work, make money, get your immigration papers, and be happy. There's only one thing that is really important, and you guys have to consider and contemplate really hard when you're choosing the proper franchise for your business. And that is the amount of control imposed by this big company on your business. We want to make sure that they do not have a lot of control over day-to-day operations. Yes, they may control the quality, they may control the brand, they may control where you buy things, they may control even a training process, but they cannot dictate how exactly you're gonna run this business. If they put too much control into the franchising agreement, this may be a red flag for you to say no to this particular company and to switch to a different one. Why? Because then we will not satisfy the criterion of directing and controlling your business. This matters both in E2 and EB5, right? So make sure that they do not control day-to-day operations of your business, something that you have to be involved in. So once you find this franchise that satisfy either amount of money for E2 or for EB5, you made sure that they don't have a lot of control over your business, although they could have some, and you know that you can show me all the documents from your country that your money has been made legally, you have all the taxes, you have all the paperwork, then we are ready to go. What's your next step if you are in this situation? You need to get a free evaluation of your case. You can get it really easy. Go below this video in the description and find the link to your E2 visa and EB5, the separate links. Don't be shy to fill out both applications. Just mark in the beginning of the questionnaire that that's the second one you're doing, so my employees know that you are the same person. And give me as many details as you can so I can give you a better analysis of your case within 48 hours. If I qualify you, if I find strength in your case, then I will invite you to the immigration planning, where we'll discuss the strategy of your case, and I will prepare the strategy of your case and give you the checklist of documents that will fit your visa. Smash the like button for this video if you really liked it, if it gave you value. Also, don't forget to subscribe to all the platforms that I post the content. All the links will be below this video. This was Stanislav Shamayev, the lawyer of your future. Your future begins here. Good luck.